Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at another example program. So today we'll be looking at a vehicles program, and we're going to be looking at vehicles, land vehicles, marine vehicles, air vehicles, and hybrid vehicles. A hybrid vehicle is a mix of vehicles. For example, air and land, water and land, air and water, and so on. So here we go. Okay, so over here you can see another program. At the top as usual is what we're going to do today. Then the rules, and last is the program. Today we'll be looking at another example program. So we'll be looking at a vehicle one. So there are in fact 4 types of vehicles: land, marine, air, and hybrid vehicles. Hybrid is a mixed vehicle, in case you didn't know. So for example, a flying car, it's a land and air vehicle, so because it can run on land and it can fly. So that's a hybrid because it's a mix of land and air. So this is the program. It's super long. So here I've said class vehicle. Then DEF in itself, print all the vehicles have the ability to move, because that's basically what vehicles are made for. Then class land and vehicle. So def init self super.init, then have wheels, because the land vehicles always have wheels. Car, buses, motorbikes, bicycles, any land vehicle has wheels. Then inside land, I've got class car, and I'm putting it inside land. So now car inherits everything from land and vehicle. So here I've said def init self super.init, then print they can all be driven on the road. So bicycles and motorbikes and buses and cars and subways, all those trains don't really run on the road, but it's still a land vehicle. But cars can be driven on the road. So that's for land. Now we can move on to class marine. So I'm obviously taking after vehicle and marine again. So same thing, except they go inside or float on water. So going inside could be like a submarine, and float can obviously be a boat. So class boat, and I'm taking after marine. Then these normal stuff. Then print they float on water. If I were to say submarine, then I would say that they go inside the water. Then lastly I said class air, then vehicle, then this, then they all can fly, because obviously all the air vehicles are made for flying. So planes, helicopters, and stuff like that are obviously made for flying. So they can all fly, because an air vehicle that cannot fly is just a waste. So an air vehicle that can fly is a plane. So I put this. Then they have wings. They don't literally have bird wings, but like they have those wing-like things sticking out from the body of the plane. So that's what I meant. So that's plane, and I'm taking after air in this one, obviously. Then I said class hybrid vehicle. This is the last one. So def in itself super.init, then print they're all a mix of either air and water, air and land, water and land. So air and water, then air and land, and then water and air is already done, and so on. So basically it's a mix of all 3 of these. So now I've said class flying car. So class flying car is not taking after only hybrid, because obviously it's a flying car. So it needs to take after flying, and it needs to take after car, because it needs to be able to run on the road and fly. Now obviously this is not a real thing, but it's still a hybrid vehicle. So obviously it's going to take after hybrid because it's a mix. It's a mix of air and land, this one. It's going to take after car because, well, I need to make it take after car so it can run on wheels and on the road. Then obviously it needs to also take after air, so because it's also flying. and air is the only one which can fly. So it needs to take after all three of these parents instead of like one parent. Like hybrid takes after only one parent, that's vehicle. Plane takes after one parent, and that's air, and its grandparent is vehicle. Then boat takes after marine. Marine takes after vehicle, and so on. But all of those only have one parent. In this case, flying car has three parents because it needs to take after a mix, it needs to take after a car, and it needs to take after air. So now I've said DEF in itself, then super.init, the normal stuff. Then a flying car can run on wheels and fly, so it can run on the road and it can fly. The only two things it cannot do is go under or on water, and obviously it cannot run on metro stations or tracks for trains. So it can basically just run on wheels and it can fly. Then I've also set flying car object, then equal to flying car. So now what I will do is I'm gonna comment everything here. So I'm gonna comment. Okay, I do not need to comment hybrid or air. I need to comment from there. So I only need to comment the marine pit. So now when I run this, so all vehicles have the ability to move. That comes from the grandparent class or parent class vehicle, because all vehicles have the ability to move. They can all fly. Well, they can all not fly, but like it's coming from the air. So the flying car can fly, so it's coming after air. Then they have wheels, so that's coming from land, because land is the parent class of car, which is basically makes it the grandparent of the flying car. Then they can be driven on the road, that comes from car. They are all either a mix of air and water, air and land, water and land. That's coming from hybrid. Sorry, here. So that's coming from the hybrid. And a flying car can run on wheels and fly. That's coming from the flying car class. Let's see what happens if I comment the air bit. Okay, I'm gonna need that, and I'm just gonna comment that. Okay. So now when I run this, now it's throwing an error obviously because air is not defined. So this is happening because I've obviously named air as a parent class, and it's simply gonna throw an error because it cannot find air anywhere. So name error, air is not defined. So that's why I need to have air there with me, because all three of the parent classes are needed to make this flying car. So that's basically why I need hybrid to be uncommented, car and land to be uncommented, and air to be uncommented. And even if I comment land, then it's still gonna throw an error because car takes after land and flying car takes after car. So basically the grandparent class is missing, which will obviously throw an error for car, which will throw an error for flying car.